Welcome back to the channel, and in today's lecture we will model this part in Autodesk Inventor 2027. So here it looks like it is hollow from the top, side and bottom. So let's go make this. Control and select standard template and go to the 2D sketch, and here's the drawing sheet. The overall dimensions, the part, the overall dimensions and other sections are also given here. The section A, and go to the sheet, start 2D sketch, XY plane, and here we will draw a line like this, draw a sketch, a rough sketch like this, and now draw an arc. Just hold, press and hold like this, an equal arc from the both ends, and close your sketch like this. Now let me select dimension and go back to the sheet. The overall is 100 and the height is 22, and height also here is 13 millimeter. So let me select point and also this point and type 100 millimeter like this. Now select this point and this point, this is 22 millimeter. Select the vertical constraint and align with the origin. Now select this point coincident, select this line and place at the origin. Now this length is 20 millimeter. The bottom feature, it is 20 millimeter as given in the drawing, and this is 50 millimeter both, and there are 3 radiuses feature fillets. So let me select dimension, select the center point, and the back, it is 50 millimeter. Select this arc and the amount for this arc is 15 millimeter. Select this point and it is 13. Align with the little thickness. Now go and let me select this point and this. No, not this. Let me finish sketch. Go to the extrude. The extrusion will go to symmetric in both directions, and the amount for extrusion is given here in top view, 60 millimeter. So I will just simply type 60 here and select OK. Now let me rotate the part and go to the drawing sheet. There are fillets, 3 fillets of radius 5 at 3 edges. Now let's start creating a sketch in the middle like this. XY plane, slice graphics or press F7, select the geometry, this like this. Now we'll add a line, a center line, so we can draw a sketch and use revolve feature here. .45 millimeter is the height for this line. Let me select this line and turn into construction. Select a line like this, align with this and draw like this to the bottom. Now draw another line like this. We want to create both diameters. I will show you. Join this line like this, select dimension, and from the center it is 27 millimeter of diameter, and another one is 39 millimeter. Okay, let me finish sketch. Use revolve for this sketch, and the axis is this, and select join and OK. So this was our cylinder at the top. Now we will add fillets here at 3 edges, a fillet of radius 5. look like this. So I will just select these edges. Let me just rotate also here, rotate it again, and this line radius 5, and select OK. Now go back to the sheet. We will add this cut, a rectangle basically. 14 and 10 millimeter is the height. So let me start 2D sketch and choose the plane. The suitable is XY. Slice graphics. Oops. This hole is a true hole, so finish sketch and make a hole first. Let me delete the sketch. Create sketch here at the top. Let me project geometry. This hole. And go to the extrude and select the inside circle. Select through all and use cut. OK. So this is a true hole now. Now we will add the another geometry we were doing earlier. Basically a rectangle, slice graphics, project geometry, the inside line, so we can stick our sketch. Go to the rectangle, 2-point rectangle, like this. Let me use vertical constraint and align with the origin. Okay, now equally distributed. This is 14 millimeter. And the height for the rectangle is 10 millimeter. The height for the rectangle is 10 millimeter. Let me finish sketch and use cut to both directions so we can achieve the face, the both directions. Okay, so this is the cut, and now we're gonna make, now go back to the, let me give a color first. Shaded with edges is okay, better, so we can see the edges. Now it's time to make this feature, which is at angle 38 degrees and 50 millimeter is the height for this. So go to the sketch and we will choose the central plane, XY plane, and okay, slice graphics, project geometry, project cut edges, select a line like this, draw a line. The angle between this line and the other is 38 degrees. Let me select this point, and the bottom face, it is 50 millimeter. Let me select OK and turn this line into construction. Okay, now it's simple. If we want to create a plane here, normal to the point, just select a plane, normal to the point. This is the point. Okay, the plane is perpendicular to the line. Auto resize. Okay, the plane is large now. Let me create sketch at the plane. Let me use project geometry and select this point so we can stick our sketch. This is the sketch. Look, 40 by 40 of scale, and the extrusion will go to 10 millimeter. Then later on we will add the holes. Select this point, draw a rectangle like this, basically a square. Let me give dimension, and this point to this point, it is 40 millimeter. Let me use equal constraint. Select this line and this one and this. Okay, it is a 40 by 40 millimeter of scale. Let me select extrude and select this geometry, the inside, and it is 10 millimeter. Okay, let me select this plane and turn the visibility off. No, we want to create a cylinder behind this hole. So no, this is 25 millimeter of through hole. So basically we will add fillets first, a fillet of 5 at each edge. Okay, like this. Let me select also this and select OK. 25mm through hole, and the other hole which has thickness behind this. So let me delete this sketch, create sketch at this face bottom. Let me rotate, create sketch here, so we can join to the surface. Slice graphics, so press F7. Okay, we can see it. Select a circle, give dimension. The dimension is given here. For the circle is 30mm, and 25mm in view C is the through hole. So 30mm, let me give dimension 30mm, finish sketch, extrude and join to next to the surface, to next. Okay, it will join to the another part no matter how much distance it has. Now it's time to create a hole of 25mm inside this. Create sketch here. Let me select a circle of 25mm like this. Let me give dimension, and it is 25mm. Let me finish sketch and select extrude. This is a through hole. Select through all and use cut. Let me show you. Look, through all, and let me select OK. So this is a hole. Both holes are completed, the top and the hole which was at angle. So it's time to create the holes, other holes. Let me add the fillets first, because the holes are center with the fillets as written in the drawing sheet. First, from this we will add holes of diameter 3. All holes are concentric with the fillets. So let me select sketch, create sketch here, go to 3D model, hole. No, it won't select unless it has points. So let me cancel. Let me create sketch here. Let me delete this sketch first. Okay, re-edit the sketch. Point. No, we don't need a point if we project the geometry. Okay, the points are given here. Now select hole. Select this point, 3mm, all 4 points. Let me rotate. Look, it is way through all, so I will just add thickness more than 10, so it will only cut this feature, not the overall body. So let me select the distance for it. Then go to distance, normal, and it is 10. Let me select 12 for this, so it will cut. Okay, 12mm. Look, it has cut the all 4 holes. Now it's time to draw the remaining 4 holes at the bottom face. These holes are also of 3mm diameter, co-center with the fillets. Let me create sketch here. Let me project geometry, project cut edges, and also the other face, this one. Okay, let me go to the 3D model, select holes. Let me select all of the 4 points like this, 3mm, and okay. Let me Control Z. It has not cut. Let me edit the hole. Let me select through all here, through all, and select OK for this. Okay, so we have completed our model for today. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Let me select this body and give it some color, light red. So this was our today's part. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Sub to the channel, watch the videos, and thanks for watching.